In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple days on your Microsoft Outlook calendar. This feature is incredibly useful for managing your time more effectively and planning events across several days. Whether you're coordinating a week-long project or simply checking your availability for consecutive days, Outlook offers you a seamless way to view and organize your schedule. So let's dive right in and see how you can do this step by step. First and foremost, you'll want to head over to Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook, or simply navigating to the Outlook website. Once you're there, you'll notice the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, enter your details carefully, and click to proceed. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the main Outlook dashboard. It's packed with tools for emails, tasks, and one of our favorites, your calendar. Now let's focus on the calendar feature. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see several icons. Look for the one that resembles a calendar and click on it. This will transport you directly to your Outlook calendar. Once on the calendar page, your screen will likely display a single day's schedule, but no worries, we're going to change that to view multiple days. To do this, identify the drop-down menu located beside the day option at the top of your calendar view. This particular drop-down is a great tool for adjusting how much of your calendar you can view at once. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see several options appear, including day, week, and work week views. For selecting multiple custom days, keep your eye on the option that allows you to select specific days. With this function, you can highlight the exact days you want to view by simply clicking on the dates in the calendar sidebar. Once you've selected the days you're interested in viewing, your calendar will adjust accordingly, presenting a streamlined view of your schedule spanning those dates. This organized display makes it easier to plan, compare appointments, and avoid scheduling conflicts. That's all there is to selecting and viewing multiple days on your Microsoft Outlook calendar. Remember, utilizing these features can significantly enhance your efficiency and time management. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Happy scheduling!